Hello and welcome to ENT 1450 Entrepreneurship Finance at JCC. My name is Sarah Bray and I am the instructor for the class. I'd like to take a minute to give you a tour of Blackboard so you know how we'll be using that for the course, as well as a quick review of the syllabus. So when you log into Blackboard, this is the home screen and you'll see some important information here. This is where you'll see announcements, general important information, the syllabus, and the calendar. We've organized the course into different modules. We start with this coming week, the introductory week, and then have 5 different modules throughout the semester. You'll also see where you can access your grades and send me an email. Let's start by taking a quick look at the syllabus. When you open this up, you're going to see some general contact information. I'm on the Cattaraugus County campus of JCC, however I do occasionally get to Jamestown if you'd ever like to meet in person. I do have office hours Monday through Thursday, 10 to noon each day. However, I'm here all the time, so if you'd like to speak outside of those times, we can certainly make arrangements to do that. And I'll talk a little bit about that in just a minute. The textbook is available for free online as a PDF. When you click on this link, it takes you to a website from the Kauffman Foundation where you'll find the textbook. You're welcome to use it online. We do use it quite a bit, so you need it. Or if you prefer a print copy, you can get a print copy through the JCC bookstore. It's about $35. You'll notice this book is a little bit different from a typical college textbook. It's a little bit more like a workbook. If you have taken Business 1430, or if you are taking Business 1430 Entrepreneurship 1, or ENT 1440, Small Business Management, it is the same textbook. So if you've had access to that before, it is the same book. Heading back to the syllabus, you'll see the course description and the student learning outcomes. Within this course, we typically start with students identifying a business concept. So you're going to have to pick a business idea, perhaps something you've used in the past with Business 1430, entrepreneurship or small business management, and you're going to build upon that concept that will help you understand the financial ins and outs specifically related to startup, income, and overall profitability for your chosen company. We've broken the course into modules, and within each module there's an assignment per week. So the first one you'll see is an icebreaker along with some entrepreneurial motivation. Within each week you're going to see what module we're in, what the assignment is that is due, and when it is due. These are almost entirely Thursdays, with the very last assignment due on May 13th, the last day of class, which is a Monday, and that's your financial plan. So throughout the course, we're going to be working on very specific topics pertaining to the financial management of a business. And as we are learning specific topics, you're going to apply it to a master project, which is the financial plan for projected startup financials for a specific company. In terms of grading, the course is based on points, so each assignment is worth 50 points, and then the final project is worth 100 points. Communication is important, so I want to spend a minute talking about communication and how we can communicate, given that this is an online class. If you have quick questions, email is always the best way to reach me. However, if you would like to spend time going over a particular assignment, or if something is unclear regarding course content or the financial plan, anything that's related to the class, we can try email, but I have to tell you that that's typically very lousy for helping students understand complex concepts. One of the best things that we can do is use a Zoom session, where if you've got access to a computer with a webcam and a microphone, then we can connect electronically, we can share screens, we can talk about these concepts, and I can see perhaps the spreadsheet that you're working on, different formulas that you're using, and it's very helpful for explaining topics within a brief period of time. So I want to encourage you to use Zoom to communicate with me. And I'm here and I'm happy to help you. I enjoy working with all of our students and look forward to having the chance to work with you one-on-one. A quick note about professionalism, because we are budding entrepreneurs, professionalism is really important. And You can express your professionalism specifically through your communication with me, making sure that emails include proper grammar and spelling and punctuation, capitalized letters, and making sure that all of your submissions are submitted, your assignments are submitted in a professional manner. I do accept late work. Please keep in mind that quizzes are not accepted late, but anything else is accepted late, and you will lose 10 percentage points for every 24-hour period that something is submitted late. So for example, if it's a 50-point assignment and it's 2 days late, you'll automatically lose 10 points, 5 points per day on that assignment. Take some time to look through the rest of the syllabus. Click on these links regarding expectations of students, Blackboard use, and if you have any special accommodations, you can reach out to Don Poole or otherwise let me know about that. Take a quick look in the first module. Within each module, you'll see the overview, including the learning objectives, resources required, and what the specific assignments are. We'll use quite a few resources beyond the textbook, and if I need you to read something or look at something that is in addition to the book, I'll put it in that course materials folder. So for example, we're using some publications from the Small Business Administration, the SBA, and here's where you'll find that information. All of the assignments are here in the assignments folder, again, 1 per week, and they go through in the order that you'll use them. I'll include grading rubrics whenever possible, so you can see exactly how you'll be evaluated as well. I think that's it for now. I'm looking forward to working with you. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. Email is the best way, and I'll be happy to respond to you quickly. I'm looking forward to a good semester. Thank you.